Hi, this is Muhammad Ali from CSC 110, quiz 7. So basically, this is the question one. It's asking us about soup temperatures that starts at 120 Fahrenheit and it cools at 1 degree a minute. And we're supposed to write a code using the while loop, which prints out the soup temperature and the time taken in a minute to get to that temperature, stopping when it gets to 112 degree Fahrenheit. Cool. All right, so I set the temperature or the temp to 120, and the time equals to 0, so that's the starting point, the time itself. These are the print, say the table, the temperature, and the time. So my while loop here, it's while true. The if the temperature is greater or equal to 112, yes, 112, print temperature and the time. So basically, it would print initially. It would print the initial point here, which is the 120 and the 0, and then we'll keep printing every time we so basically it will keep printing until it hit the 112. So it will print the temperature. It's going to subtract 1 from the temperature, and then it will add 1 to the time, and every time it does this loop here, it prints until it gets to the 112, and it will break here. That's why I got the else break. So that's when this whole while loop breaks. So let me run this code. Okay, and as you see, the temperature and the time here and the stars are 120 right here, and let's at the initial starting point was 120 and 0, and as you see here, it subtracts 1 from the temperature, same time, add 1 to the time. So we keep doing this loop all the way till we hit 112, and then it breaks. Great, that's about it, I guess. All right, thank you.